Oh, I wanna feel something. I just wanna breathe again. Dive into the deepest end. Oh, I wanna feel something.
In the first 5 minutes of driving, one of our drawers already flew open. So I think I fixed it. We put some Velcro right here. It's definitely something we're gonna have to work on. But I did test this yesterday and it didn't fly out, and we went through like speed bumps and stuff. So it's kind of weird that it happened now, but this is van life. You just constantly are fixing stuff and you just have to be okay with it. Kelly's back!
I'm back, and do you want to know what the best part of this is?
What?
We don't even need bags.
We don't need bags, ever!
Because we can just pop it right in. Gotta love this view of fresh groceries. Sam's packing them all in.
We're out of room in the freezer.
We just parked for our first night of van living, and we are at a very exclusive campsite in Goleta, California, which is next to Santa Barbara. And it's so exclusive that I don't think anyone else can stay here. It's my sister's yard.
Go check it out.
Look at this, it's actually insane.
Our house.
That's our house.
And that's the best view ever.
So our gracious hosts of this beautiful campsite, aka my sister and her boyfriend, have also made us delicious pizzas that we are about to eat and enjoy this view with. We're gonna go take a little walk and check out the chickens nearby. She gets some fresh eggs from them in the morning, so we're gonna check them out.
These are the fresh eggs.
Let's see the big reveal.
Oh, there's a chicken laying an egg right now.
I'm so happy right now. I was not sure if Sonny was going to sleep in his designated spot, but he did it first try.
Look, Sonny wanna sleep first try. He walked his way over here. We just gave him a treat for sitting inside, but he's using his little bed area.
We're so happy. It's so cozy in here.
Nice.
We're making the bed for the first time for real as van lifers, and I can immediately see why people leave it in bed mode most of the time. It's definitely a bit annoying, but something that we'll probably get better at and get used to as time goes on.
Silvery sky when I arrive, you blush golden yellow, shower the trees hiding beneath.
We just spent some time at the beach right by the pier in Santa Barbara. We've been here many times. We live pretty locally, so we aren't gonna stay too many nights. I think we're gonna go camp tonight near Pismo, kind of in between Santa Barbara and Pismo. But first, we are going to meet up with Melody, a girl who is a solo female van lifer. We actually met her through the van life community on Instagram, and now we're gonna meet her in person. We both did builds around the same time, and both are finished around the same time, so it's really cool, and just happened to work out perfectly that we were both in Santa Barbara at the same time. So we are going to go meet up with Melody, and then we will head to Pismo. So hopefully we can show you around a little bit in Melody's van. See you then. Also, this might be TMI. Before we show Melody our van, we are going to dump our pee tank because nobody wants to do a van tour and see pee in our urine jug. Here's her van. It looks great.
It's literally
So
it's so
cute.
super cute.
And then look at this work
Seriously,
view.
great job.
We are playing some music and making lunch
First time
and
using
testing out our new toaster oven. Oh, by the way, we did not have time to empty the pee jug, but all is good. Toaster oven.
First time using it. Now we are at our campsite. It's free. It's about 30 minutes past Santa Barbara, and it's beautiful. We're gonna enjoy the sunset, make some dinner, feed Sunny, and see how our second night in the van goes. Good morning.
It is Wednesday.
Day 3 of van life.
Big stretchies.
Good morning. Off to Pismo. We just arrived at Pismo Beach. It is California's central coast, and it is an absolutely beautiful day, and we're gonna make some coffee by our beach.
This is our kitchen view today. This right here is what we worked for 10 months. Mind, body, and soul. This is what we worked for.
Thank you, madame. Cheers, babe. We are at Dinosaur Caves Park in Pismo Beach. It's a beautiful day. There's some really cool history to this park as well. Back in the 1940s, there was a big dinosaur sculpture that actually had a walkway through it that you could go into the caves of the beach itself. And apparently it all crumbled down back in the day, and there's no trace of it here, but I think that's why they ended up calling it Dinosaur Caves Park. We're just happy to be here. Right now, Sunny's taking a nap, Kelly's on a run, and I am working for the first time at our lagoon mound table. It's pretty cozy, I really like it, and we've got a view of the ocean. And it just doesn't get better than this, other than not working. Okay, so I've been kind of nervous to do this, but I'm gonna take our first little shower. I'm really just gonna rinse off. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We're gonna see how it goes. Towel, please.
Here is your blow.
Thanks, Bubba. Long time ago.
I still have my retainer in. It's 6 or 7 a.m. and we need to fill up on water because we are going to the middle of California in a day or two, and we need to make sure that we have some water. So that's what we're doing right now, first time. We are full on vibe right now. Retainers, and this is the fits. Let's check our water meters. You love to see it. You really do.
Love to see it. Now let's go to Avila Beach and brush our teeth. We just made it to Avila Beach. It is beautiful. It's 8 a.m. Apparently you can bring your dogs to the beach before 10 and after 5 o'clock at night, so we're gonna have Sunny run around at the beach. Ready? One.
When you're happy, you'll put a smile on my face. I won't be perfect, but I promise I'll try every day for you.
No, I know.
And I will be, yeah, I will be.
Look at what we got. We got some steel cut oats, cashew butter, figs, oat milk, chia seeds. Oatmeal is literally my favorite meal. Oatmeal with a view. Cake by the ocean. Scratchies by the ocean. We just moved from our spot higher up at Avila Beach where all the shops are. It only had 3-hour parking and we were on a huge slant, so we just moved a little further down, and we're gonna spend the rest of the day here before we head to our next location.
We just got to Slow Skate Park. I've been wanting to skate this park for a lot of years, and we actually have never been in the city before, so I never had the chance to do it. It's really cool. We're gonna go shred for like 15-20 minutes before we head off to Gilroy. Kelly's driving us to Gilroy. Sonny's asked me to hold him because we're both holding on for dear life right now.
We are here in Gilroy, California, the nation's capital of garlic. But that's not why we're here. We're not here for the garlic. We're here to visit our friend's family, and we are going to be driveway surfing for the next couple of days. So I'm not sure how much we will film. But in the meantime, we grabbed some bagels at House of Bagels in Gilroy, Nob Hill Shopping Center, if you want to check it out. We're gonna head to our next location in Central California. We are on our way to Newman, California. That is why we've been making our way up in California this whole time for this birthday party we're about to attend. I guess we'll see you there.
Bye. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What do you guys think of the van?
It's cute. It's really cute.
Do you guys want to live in a van now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Devin. We are leaving Central California and heading down south for cooler temperatures and to celebrate the 4th of July. We spent 3 nights in Central California. Fun fact about Newman, California is we looked it up. We knew it was a small town, but it's such a small town that it only has 2 stoplights. So we thought that was very cool that we found that out. And we had the best time being able to see our friends and park on their driveways. Because we live in the van now, we have the freedom to be able to see the people that we want to much more often, and we're very grateful to be able to do that. And we know it won't always be like this. We will be on our own probably most of the time. We just keep looking at each other being like, is this real? Like, are we actually in the van doing this right now? We are headed down to Cambria right now for the 4th of July, so we will see you there.
Oh, Kelly's feeding.
He's a fashion boy.
Oh shit, call bullshit. Bullshit.
Sonny. Dear. Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
We are in Morro Bay, California. We spent last night in Cambria. It's beautiful. We're gonna take Sonny to the dog beach.
This dog park that we are at right now, you can see from the 1 freeway. It is between Cayucos and Morro Bay. You can actually see the iconic Morro Bay rock that's in the water right over there. So we are just gonna let Sonny play for a little bit, stretch our legs, do some editing in the van, and then we'll see where the day takes us.
And that concludes our first full week of van life.
It has been so fun being able to finally live in the van and travel in the van. We've had a pretty amazing week, probably even better than we imagined. I was even worried, are we even gonna like sleeping in the van all the time? But we've actually preferred it.
And we've learned so much. We've learned so much more about our van, and we're so excited that we had this first trip, and now we're gonna be heading down south for the next few weeks, down to San Diego. And it's gonna be so much fun, because I hear van life down there is great.
Yeah, we're so excited to be going down to San Diego. If you have any recommendations, like free camping, food, cool shops, anything like that, please leave it in the comment below so that we can know. Thank you so much for watching this journey so far. We can't wait to take you along the rest of our journey around the US. And
it's honestly just been a dream. I've been in love with this girl for the last 9 years.
Aww.
She's literally the greatest thing in the world. I just love her more than anything in this entire planet, and I couldn't be more excited to be doing van life with her.
I love you.
And
wait, stop, babe. Okay.